Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Calbiotech T3 ELISA test kit. I'll just show you around the box. You can see the top, bottom, just the details. It's Calbiotech T3 ELISA kit, and you got the reference part number here and the lot number, manufacturing date, expiry date, and the 96 well plate, 2 to 8 degree temperature, storage conditions, and the package contents also mentioned here. It's a IVD certified product. It's manufactured in the US. I'll just open this box for you. Inside the box you get one IFE brochure. You can see this here. It says Triiodothyronine T3 ELISA Kit, which is it says Triiodothyronine T3 ELISA Kit is intended for the quantity measurement of Triiodothyronine T3 in human serum. You can see this here. Okay, you can see the key contents here. This IFE brochure has a complete procedure, like you have the assay procedure, and you get the complete information, limitations of the test. You get these instructions to execute your test. Just put it here. And there is one certificate of analysis for this kit. You can see this here. This is the certificate of analysis. You can see the total T3 ELISA kit. The key contents inside, you can see there is a micro wells coated with X3AB on an additional plate, and T3 standard 1 to 6, and you have T3 HRP conjugate 1YL, and T3 assay diluent and wash concentrate 20x, and TMB substrate 1 bottle, and stop solution 1 bottle. And you can see the 96 plate pack. Here it is. Here I can see this. It says coated wells with X3AB. You can see the expiry period on 96 months. That's how this 96 well plate looks like. It's neatly packed. Put it here. I'll just keep this here. Okay, inside the solutions, we'll just go one by one here. Okay, I'll remove it for you. If you can see this. This is wash concentrate 20x 25 ml bottle, white cap, and there is one green cap, which is T3 assay diluent 12 ml. Okay, and there is one more white. This is stop solution 12 ml. You can see this here. And that is yellow cap. This is TMB substrate 12 ml. You can see this here. And then inside you can see there is a white cap, T3 standard 1. Okay, this one T3 standard 2. I'm putting it back. T3 standard 3, and this is T3 standard 4, 1 ml. You get. You can see T3 standard 5, and you can see here it's T3 standard 6. Then you can see here it's T3. This is HRP conjugate, which is 1.2 ml. Okay, thank you. And if you look at today, we have seen the unboxing of Calbiotech T3 ELISA test kit, and then each 96 well plate kit you get one IFE brochure, one certificate of analysis, and 196 well plate, and the solutions like T3 standard 126 and T3 HRP conjugate 1 vial and T3 assay conjugate assay diluent and wash concentrate 20x and TMB substrate and stop solution. This is how the total test kit looks like. Okay, thank you.